Okay, I'm going to show you how to map your network drive so that you can have access to your Laulima network as well as your computer network, and it will look just like you're working with two different windows in your computer file system. The first thing to do is go to Files, and I clicked down here at the bottom of the screen, you can see, and you'll see Libraries come up. In Libraries, go to Computer, and at the very top of this you'll see you'll see Map Network Drive. Left click on Map Network Drive and you'll see this screen come up that says Map Network Drive. What network folder would you like to map? Choose a letter. Doesn't really matter which one. You can see that I've already got one mapped here, so I'm going to choose Drive H, and then I'm going to choose a folder that I want to map to. Now there are a couple of different ways to do this, but I'm going to do it the simple way. So I'm going to go to my Laulima folder, and since I've decided I'm going to map my Summer History 151 course, I'll go to the Summer 151 course in Laulima, go to Resources, which is down here on the left near the bottom, and in Resources you'll see a little blue link at the top that says Upload, Download Multiple Resources. Click on that, and just about 1/3 of the way down the browser screen you'll see this particular little URL. So I'm going to highlight that, copy it. You can do that any one of two ways. Right click and copy, or press Control C on your computer. Copy that, go back to your file system where it says Map Network Drive, to this window, and in this folder you simply put your cursor, then right click and paste, and you get the URL for the file system called Resources in the particular class that you chose. Then you click Finish, and it will ask you for your password. Now I've already input my password, so it won't require my password this time, but it will ask you for your username and password. You don't need to put @hawaii.edu or anything like that, just your username and then your password for your MyUH system. When you input those, you get this screen here. This is just a file system screen. I like to keep it small so it can be manipulated, and I like to open up my regular file system screen and go to Documents, and then I'll minimize that, and you can see that I have two file system screens, or two file system windows up. The window on the left where it says Libraries, Documents, and is clearly connected with my local disk C, this is everything that's on my computer. On the right is everything that's in the Resources folder in Laulima that you've just mapped to. So if I want to send something to this, all I have to do is click on the folder that I want to send, and I'm going to go to my Teaching folder and find History 151, and I'll see if I can find my History 151 syllabus for 2012. I have a PDF version of it there, so I just grab it, left click, drag, and drop it into the folder on the right, and you see this upload screen come up, and there it is on the right side. Now if we go into Laulima, and you can see that we're currently in the tab for my History 151 summer class, then we'll go to My Resources, and you can see that the Summer 2012 syllabus PDF is right there. If you click on it, it will come right up. So hopefully this has been helpful. Mapped network drives just look like this, and the beauty of these is that you can simply use them as if they're part of your regular file system, and you can transfer files just by dragging and dropping from your regular file to the network file. Anything that you use on Laulima has to be in the network file in order for it to be able to appear on Laulima.